to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars.
Alright, well we made it up here to the Georgia, North Carolina state line. MFC, Foothills chapter. Leading the ride's our road captain, Curveball. Following him is Sergeant Barnes, Cliffhanger. We got the president next, Grim, yours truly, the treasurer, Rip, and we got Karen along with the ride with us. She is in the process of joining, so she's kind of in the hang-around phase right now. But here we are. Should be crossing over to the state line here just as we cross this bridge, I believe. Done a cool morning. Started out at 42. Of course, on the bike, that makes it feel like about in the low 30s. We've made it to Tellico Plains, and we just jumped on that was about. Season. Coming up on Ironworks Grill. Up here in a little bit. Oh wait, that was back there actually, across from the dealership. Anyway, I'll catch some more footage here in a little bit. Yeah, about 90% of the leaves have fallen up here.
Alright, so here's a few fun facts about the Cherohala Skyway. So it's a 43-mile National Scenic Byway that connects Tellico Plains, Tennessee to Robbinsville, North Carolina. Now, planning for the Cherohala Skyway began in 1958, and the road was completed on October the 12th, 1996, at a final cost of a staggering amount of $100 million. Now, the western or the Tennessee half of the Skyway follows Tennessee State Route 165 for nearly 25 miles from Tellico Plains to the state line at Stratton Gap. The eastern, or the North Carolina half, follows North Carolina 143 for just over 18 miles, from Stratton Gap to Robbinsville. Now, the Skyway gains over 4,000 feet in elevation, rising from a low point of just under 900 feet at Tellico Plains to a high point just over 5,400 feet above sea level on the slopes of Hall Knob. So, it's one of the most sought after eastern rides. So beautiful scenery. Definitely ride it in the fall. October is the great time. Go during the week for a little less traffic, as you see here. But we had a blast, and just hope you get the time to enjoy this beautiful road.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got